Το ημερολόγιο, the journal, K. Charalambous. You are about to enter my world. Through my poems, you can see my naked soul. Through my poems, you can be at places that felt home to me, or didn't. The following poems have not been written to satisfy you, but to make you think of what it feels to be in the middle, building a home and an invitation. An invitation to bring our different yet the same worlds together. Enter my world then. Let's see what you discover about yours. Returning to. The sky cried when I left. That's how my soul cried too. Many birds passed by to tell me the goodbye, to give me strength, luck, freedom, to fly with them. My dad's hand I hold it, to give me courage. I kissed my mom. I told her I will come. I don't know when. That's why I didn't stop watching. The sea, the Cypriot grounds. I miss them, just like I miss my mom, my dad. Because I am, too, a child of this earth. Always here I will return to my home. Building home. Moments of quietness, moments of stillness, moments of whiteness. Looking at the mirror right there at home, I found a friend to talk to. She said to me, let's start from the beginning to build what you've left behind. Let the dances begin at the balcony while it rains. Don't hold tight of your achievements. It's done, it's finished, move on. The achievement got its shape, it will no longer expand. But you, yes, my love, you are expanding, you are spreading out. You take your space and your time to create. The power you have within you, you choose how to practice it. Move on then. Pick up the form you need in every of your feet. Breathe in, share the essence you got, and then let it out. Let it go to no longer hold you back. Come to the dance, let's go from the beginning. So I did. I looked at her straight in the eyes from the mirror. I smiled to her. I took her hand to go together. To keep building, rock by rock, from the ones they've thrown at them. What is home? I asked myself, what does it mean to feel at home? Building a solid ground, a foundation, where we can feel loved and be loving. Home is not a place, it's a feeling where we can experience, a feeling of that place in the heart where we can get to know, to feel safe enough to explore and find ourselves doing miraculous kind acts to ourselves and others. This is home, where healing happens, where I always choose to go. And I hope you have the self-awareness to know what love is, what is not, and the self-respect to always choose to go where love is. Barriers. Words, canons or flowers. The ancestors, the ancient Greeks, were saying, the tongue doesn't have bones, but bones it crushes. From a young age, I was hearing this proverb. Growing up, I understood what power the words have. Words, more powerful than the strongest warrior. Do you throw them like a cannon, hurting the enemy, shooting him down, thinking you won the battle? Or do you give them like a gift, a flower, to raise the morale of your fellow human, winning the war together? The choice is yours, but all things will turn back to you like a wheel spinning its own center. What you give is what you get. The speech, communication, gap, chaos, unable to express, to say what I want to say, to hear me, nothing, silence, and me trying to make a sound, a voice, something to come out of my mouth, nothing. Darkness. It was a dream. Was it? Conversations with country. You tell me I need to speak your language to move forwards, yet you don't support me. You deny me to be part of, take part in, because I don't speak your language. You don't see my own qualities. How do you expect to move forwards, country? I see you are respecting your solid grounds. What about your children? Can we have equal opportunities? Or, because you see me as a foreigner, you think I don't deserve to even be what I'm capable of being. That's what you think? Well, country, you're wrong. Some of your children are more capable than you think they are. Give them more obstacles, more barriers, I dare you. Because of your denial, because you didn't give them a chance, they will go through it all and overpass you, with a kind smile on their face. And you? Suggestion. The unsaid invitation. Why do you resist taking the step? The differentiation, the separation. Why the distance? All I'm asking is for an invitation to meet people how they are. An invitation to sit down and sing together, not with words but with one voice, until we see each one of us in the eyes and not with a deep understanding. Can we find a mutual ground? Invite each other to get to know our differences and accept them, respect them, dare I say, celebrate them? Exploring home, belonging, and equal opportunities in a new country. Thank you.